warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
How are you getting on today?
I'm good. I'm fine.
Why?
Flu.
Oh,
Flu, Pak.
anyone else? Ada yang sakit hari ini?
I am.
Why? What you?
Flu, sick.
Oh, I'm so sorry to listen it. Cause sebenarnya hari ini saya juga sakit sih. Tapi ya gitu deh. Ya, makasih. Before we start our lesson today, are you ready? Are you ready for this class today, guys?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oke, before we menyelam lebih jauh tentang our class today, I will ask you some question, guys. Do you all like read some story or some
Novel.
Yes. From
I'm novel.
novel. What the title for the novel?
Dikta dan hukum.
Do you read some book or ebook? Ebook is from a Wattpad or from a platform, another platform. Wattpad?
Yes.
What the title?
Very much.
Siapa?
Very much.
Very much. What was the author? Who's the author? Siapa penulisnya? Anyone else? Do you like read some story?
I dislike reading.
What do you like?
Sleeping.
Okay. And then after you read some book kan pasti kan di inside the story pasti kan there is some character and there is some message from the story. Kalau baca itu do you often kayak paham gitu apa siapa karakternya paham. Contohnya apa bisa can you tell me some message from the story? Do you read?
Saya like bumi dan bukannya gitu.
What's the message from the story?
There is member one of parents dibenci oleh kedua orang tuanya. Punya akhlak tapi akhlaknya itu juga ini dengan semua apa yang punya bumi.
Wow.
Ya, bumi itu dari kandungan udah dibenci soalnya ibunya seorang model dan kandungnya sudah mati tapi sebab kandungannya dia harus disanjung.
Jadi mereka itu tidak ada bersyukurnya ya.
Pas bumi punya penyakit pas meninggal ibunya suka gila ada di SG, jadi bayangan bumi itu tinggal di mana-mana.
Oh, it means she regret from people. And then
Saya novel dikta dan hukum.
Yeah, what's the message?
Jelasnya nggak boleh bergantung sama orang. Very much.
Okay guys, apa ya namanya dia? Based on your story, based on your all of your favorite its name is narrative text, and today we will study about narrative text. Do you what's that? Have you ever about narrative text before this class?
Yes.
What do you think about narrative class? Narrative text. What do you think?
Story about something like
Some people.
like
Legenda.
like cerita si kancil,
Cerita si
Oh,
Kandar.
fabel. And then
daerah gitu.
apa?
Cerita daerah.
Cerita daerah. Oh, berarti like what's that?
Paling Bunda.
Legend? Ya, like legenda berarti ya.
Legenda.
Okay. And then what? And what else? And what do you think about narrative text? Bisa apa namanya nih? Fabel, terus legenda apa lagi? Yang kalian tahu?
Horor.
Komik.
Horror, komik, and then
Romance.
romance. Yes.
Anime.
Gimana ya?
Okay. Narrative text. Can you see my?
Yes.
Okay. Now we study about narrative text, guys. And before that, what's that? Narrative text apa ya? the generic structure itu ada 3. Yang pertama itu kayak opening gitu. Opening. Biasanya opening itu biasanya kayak pengenalan toko-tokonya, terus apa itu namanya kayak pengenalan latar tempatnya gitu. Terus yang kedua itu apa namanya itu isinya biasanya isinya tentang konflik ya, konflik ya. And then after that setelah konfliknya diselesaikan pasti ada penutupnya atau penyelesaiannya ya. Isinya force. Jadi ini sekilas tentang generic structure-nya about narrative text. And now element of narrative text. If you listen, if you know about element of story, what do you think about element of story? Kayak apa ya, kayak story itu tentang apa? Maksudnya intinya dari story, dan intinya cerita itu apa? Kayak ada tema, pasti kan ada tema kan? Terus apa lagi selain tema? Yang kalian pikirkan? Alur. Amanat. Terus apa lagi?
Latar.
Ya, amanat sama pesan sama ya. Terus apa lagi?
Sikap.
Apa? Yang ada di dalam story itu loh, apa? Watak. Itu watak tadi siapa? Karakter. Terus apa lagi? Sudut pandang. Ya. Nah, terus apa lagi? And anyone else? Suasana itu masuk ke setting tadi ya. Setting itu bisa tempat, suasana, sama waktu. Terus apa ada lagi yang kalian tahu? Oke.
Ada.
And now dari sekian banyaknya elemen, we just study about yes, karakter. Karakter it mean apa itu namanya?
Watak.
Ya, watak sama yang apa itu namanya? Yang the person who what's that? Who work in that story. The person who have the what's that? We have the action in the story. Is mean karakter atau tokoh bahasa Indonesianya. Terus apa lagi? Ya, setting ini itu about what's that? Kayak tentang tempatnya itu di mana, latar. Jadi setting itu ada 2, ada latar tempat sama waktu, suasana, yes. And now we just study about setting of place and setting of time. Yes, time. And then the last one is what's that? Oh yes, message. Jadi message. Amanat. Jadi we will study about what's the message of the story. And then wait. And then to analyze more about that element, I want to share. I want to give you some copies of narrative text.
One paper.
Yeah, one paper for 2 people. Yes. And then itu apa namanya itu? I will what's that? I will point you to read aloud about the text. And then the first one, okay, from this, can you read? Can you read the first paragraph? Until first paragraph. The first paragraph until following. Can read aloud.
Once upon a time, in a small village in Indonesia, there lived 2 sisters named Bawang Merah and Bawang Putih.
Yes. Yeah.
Bawang Merah was known for her wickedness
Yes.
and
It's okay.
jealousy,
Just read.
while bawang putih was known for her kindness and beauty.
It's okay. Just read. Just
Their
read.
mother had passed away when they were young, and their father had remarried a cruel and wicked stepmother who favored bawang merah and treated bawang putih poorly.
Okay, thank you. Give us more Ika. And then from the second was that the second group. What who want to read? Yes. Yes, please.
One day, the stepmother asked Bawang Putih to go to the river and wash
Yes. What?
some clothes.
Yeah. and then-
Bawang Putih obediently
Yes.
did as she was told and went to the river. While she was washing the clothes, a magic fish,
Magic.
a magic,
Magic.
a magic, a
With J.
magic
Yeah.
fish appeared and asked her why she was crying.
Yeah.
Bawang Putih told the fish about her troubles and how her stepmother treated her badly.
And then.
The magic fish gave her a magical flower and told her to keep it safe. Bawang Putih returned home and showed the flower to her sister Bawang Merah. However, Bawang Merah became jealous and stole the flower, hoping to use it for her own benefit.
And then from third group, who want to read?
The next day, Bawang Merah went to the river to wash some clothes, and the magic fish appeared to her. But instead of asking why she was crying, the fish prostrated her for the wickedness and told her that when should be
That she would be.
punished
Yeah.
for her action.
And then.
The magic flower that Bawang Merah and slaughtered from
A stone.
had stone
Yeah.
from the sister turned into a stone, and she was unable to remove it from her
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 head.
hand.
Yes.
She became known as Bawang Merah berbatu or onion with a stone. Will Bawang Putih's kindness and beauty earned here the nickname Bawang Putih Bersih or clean dirty.
Okay. For the last paragraph, who want to be read it? Right. Okay.
In the end, Bawang Putih married a son of beauty son. When Bawang Merah was left alone to suffer the consequences of her action. The story teaches the importance of kindness, honesty, and compassion, and the consequence of death and jealousy.
Okay, give us some. Okay, thank you for the reading, guys. Okay. After you read the text, do you get who's the character in the text?
Bawang Merah.
Bawang Merah. And then?
Bawang Putih. Bawang Merah jahat.
And then Bawang Putih.
Baik.
Oh. Kalau dari teks itu ada nggak kayak buktinya yang menunjukkan kalau bawang merah itu jahat? Ada nggak teksnya kayak
Bawang putih ada.
Ya kayak scene-nya menunjukkan kalau bawang merah itu jahat. Ada nggak?
Maybe Bawang Merah went to the river to wash some clothes, and the magic fish
And then
appeared to her. But instead of asking why she was crying, the fish prodded her for her weakness and told her that she would be until last.
itu apa? Itu yang siapa? Bawang merah atau bawang putih?
Merah.
Bawang merah. Tuh, kalau yang bawang putih apa karakternya di situ ngapain dia?
Bawang putih, kindness, and beauty.
Ada lagi? Ada lagi? Anything else? Ada lagi? Nggak ada.
Ada.
Oke. And then from the setting itu latar tempatnya di sini apa? Latar di sekali itu apa?
Sungai.
River.
Village.
And then what?
Village.
Village. Okay. And then tadi mana? Anything else? Ada lagi?
No.
Nggak ada.
Nothing.
Terus itu kalau apa setting of time?
Time.
Latar waktunya apa?
Hmm.
Itu apa aja latar waktunya? Pagi. Terus, ya pagi itu gara-gara apa? Kamu kok bisa menyimpulkan itu pagi? Wash cloth itu ya? Iya. Ya, terus apa lagi? Yang wasuf itu ada awalnya guys. Yang masih kontak itu pasti menunjukkan latar waktunya. Berarti itu sudah lama sekali.
Suatu hari.
Ya, pada suatu hari. Terus what the message from the story?
Gak boleh jahat.
Gak boleh apa lagi?
Gak boleh
Gak boleh iri, terus gak boleh apa?
Gak boleh itu, Pak.
Gak boleh?
Gak boleh jahat kayak kamu.
Terus apa lagi? Gak boleh rakus. Itu kan ada yang di terakhir yang the consequence of greed and jealousy. Itu berarti apa? Gak boleh tamak sama iri. Oke, and then what do you learn about class today? Apa yang kalian dapat untuk kelas hari ini?
I
Narrative
learn
text,
about
Opening, and then
closing, message.
Itu apa ya dari naratif? Itu termasuk apanya? Elemen apa ya strukturnya?
structure.
Elemennya guys. Jadi elemennya dari naratif teks itu ada karakter, setting, message. Kalau strukturnya itu ada opening, conflict, closing. Okay, and then question for today I want to know, are you what's that? Are you understand more about my lesson? So I will give you a homework about what's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie, or what's your favorite story? And then you will give message of the story, and the character of the story, and the setting of the story. Okay, do you get my point? Okay, thank you. Okay, and then thank you for joining my class. Have you fun today? Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.